I thank equally my first son, Mutawali of Zamfara. He faced one of the stiffest battle, crisis, opposition, banditry, everything. I thought the termite will eat him up. But no way. He didn't surrender. He didn't collapse. He brought a team together, listening to the word of elders, and he has brought the state for peace. So many stories. We can go on and on this, but let's celebrate the joy. The joy that we have a country. Let's give respect to the dead. To the dead. The person of MKO Abiola, in whose democratic memory June 12th became a national holiday. Kudirat Abiola, Afsa's mother, who made that sacrifice. It was in her house that I found a cap, brown cap, with old turban, tied up, and escaped from this country so that I can come back to fight again. And I came back, we fought. The democracy is here. I'm glad that she's participating. She's working hard to bring that peace, prosperity, to demonstrate that courage and determination to save Nigeria. What is important and what is different in what we did in the convention is we were multiplied by 3 of our rivals convention. Yeah. They thought there would be chaos. We bluffed. We navigated our way through it. They thought there would be crisis. We smile at each other. No backing, no biting, no beating. What else do they expect? Yes, I said in my language, in the appropriate place, where Abiola is a descendant, a chief, a son of the soil, a Milokon. Any Yoruba man, any person who understands Yoruba, we know the meaning a Milokon. It's my turn. And in some churches today, it has become a prayer. A Milokon, I say thank you, you've done a good job. If the mood will reflect the day, I will spend the night here. I say thank you very much for donating a befitting office for us to continue to struggle. We will think, use our intellectual inclusiveness, build a nation of sound mind, sound people, elevate our people, extract them from poverty. There's no reason to be in abject poverty in this country. We are brilliant people. Let us wear the uniform of can-do, the mind of those people who have built other nations. It is a responsibility, particularly people from this age. You are the owner of today, tomorrow, and day after. It will be your grandchildren that we drive the nation after you have gone. The prayer is that we will leave a united, prosperous nation for you. Amen. You see what Muhammadu Buhari, as the president left, so many of you are called soccer watchers. Before the end of the game, they will say, the commentator will say, who is the man of the match? The man of the convention, the man of the democracy for that day was Muhammadu Buhari. You say you want to run? Run. You want to crawl? Crawl. You want to dance? Dance. He laid the feet for us. Let us perform in the way we want. He carried the day. Nigeria united. Nigeria is happy. Prosperity, greatness, courage, and every opportunity that can build a nation, that can make a nation our own. Your green passport being respected is in your hand, it's in our brain. We will use it. Amen. God bless Nigeria.